Anyway, you see this lady here, I want you to contact the police for me, here? There's a reward on it. Just look out for her. No, you keep it. I have a lot in the bus there. I have to catch that lady.
Maggy.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Old lady shot me Superman. That old lady, Miss Williams, the same old lady there with the gentleman that said she. And we have a wrong man in our prison, man. A wrong man who hold. Yes, Super. Yes, man, that old man there. Super, me not idiot, man. Me say the old woman. The old woman shot me. Wait, so I call you a laugh, Super. No believe me? And the old woman shot me, man. Miss Williams, the same old lady there. That the young man, anyway, just send paramedics and send it back up there, man. Check your location. Believe me, man. I believe me, no? I she. Alright, Super.
Yeah, Super. Super, I'm searching house, man. Nobody don't live here, man. A abandoned house, man. Alright. Alright, just check your information and call me back if I know. I'll leave the premises now. Alright. Yeah, man. Man, I come like some mad man, you know, man. What kind of old man for shoot? Yo, God no, man. Yo. Left you forced to, you know.
Home sweet home. Hello.
Hi.
Ah. Alright. Alright. What are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hold on a sec. Give me a second here.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, come closer there for me, please. Oh, pull a chair. Pull a chair. Oh, so you're the new probationer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I understand you were assigned to me, right? The super assigned to me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you're Young?
Yes, sir.
Constable Young?
Yes, sir.
Alright, welcome.
Thank you.
Alright. Anyway, you know, actually, there's rules and guidelines here and stuff, and you're new here, right? So,
Right.
actually, this is your first, well, since I'm here, it's your first, I'm gonna deal with you, so, actually, I'm gonna have to place you in cells. You see, here, you know, you look like a CIB material, but you can't just come and just not know any place. I have to send you and make you know every little department, alright? So, you see, for today, I'm going to send you in cells, alright? So you get a feel of everywhere, alright? So, I don't know, I mean, you just go around and, you know, you're well rounded, and then, you know, actually, you know, you're on probation, which is 2 years, alright? And simple thing, stick to the guidelines, alright? Respect your officers, respect your elders, you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I don't expect you to do anything out of your jurisdiction or what this place here entails. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so anyway, as I said, welcome.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Is that it?
That's it for now, you know. That's it for now.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah,
What
go
happened
ahead.
there?
Boy, you want to see? Boy, I want all the man put a hole in me. Granny,
wow.
boy, I tried to laugh in stuck in high force. Oh, the man. Somebody we couldn't believe.
Wow.
Alright. So anyway, the cell block is that way, so you can just make your way around that side, alright?
Thank you.
Yeah man, alright again, take care. Constable Young,
Yes, Sarge?
you come here a minute for me.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, cell 4, prisoner in the name Zach. How are you bringing him come for me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, just bring him come for me, Zach. Alright?
All right.
Yeah man.
My car's over there.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
the Sarge said I must bring you around there.
Could I wash her down?
Stand up right there, young man. Stand up right there. Don't move.
Going to move me.
Come, go, sir.
Yeah, I give me something, miss. Nah, running on me, say, nah, I deal. Nah, I deal with me, sir.
Nah, you can stay right here, sir. Then.
Yes, Sarge.
Anyway, you can leave us, yeah?
Okay.
What you been doing, young man?
There, Sarge.
Constable Young.
Yes, Sarge.
Yeah, a minute there. Come back here. Want to get him something for me, please, cause I'm gonna release this young man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, hand him stuff then.
Thank you, miss.
You're welcome.
Yes, boss.
Why? Yeah, have a seat there, sir. Anyway, everything occurs still, so I feel kind of enlightened you want to go on. You understand me?
Yes, boss.
You're here under reasonable suspicion. You know that. And I don't know if you know the law, where, you know. You understand sometime come out of your time and stuff, but that's the law said. You understand? But you're free to go because well, a couple of development. Mr. Zach, the reason why we're letting you go. Alright?
Yes, sir.
We did some investigations and we realized that, you know, you're a good youth. I realized that, you know, actually you're innocent of what's been taking place. You understand me? So, anyway, we're not on the ground to hold you. We have to let you go. Alright? Whilst you were in jail, you know, those exact crimes that were taking place, they were still occurring. So, we're on the belief that, not belief, we're sure that you're not, you know, the perpetrator. So actually, we have to let you go. Alright, we're really sorry about that. You know, there's no other words I can, you know, put it, but you don't want to do what the system said. Alright? And boy, I'm going to tell you. You see this?
I heard.
You heard?
Yeah.
It's true.
Everything.
Oh, you still want to hear what going on?
Yeah, everything was going
Oh, right. In all my years, I never know a gunshot at so. Lucky me they attack to you.
In all my years, I never know sauce of jail hard. Deal it.
Well, you know, actually never deserve it anyway, you know, on our part. Anyway, whilst I was in hospital, or is it when I was on, you know, I was on bed rest at home, the soup called me and he told me that he sent a team to the premises and they said it was thoroughly checked.
Which premises they sent the team?
That's the old lady there, man, Miss Williams.
Oh, the old lady's house.
And they said that it was thoroughly checked and they found nothing. They said that, you know, they went in the house and they didn't find anything.
Look like she run away.
Yeah, I mean, she disappeared like a fart in the wind, it looked like. But anyway, what I want you to do, because you seem like you see her and whatever, you know, always have some encounter, is that I want you to make sure that you call me. Give me a number anyway.
My number?
Yeah, where your phone. You get back your phone, right?
I'm check if it's there in the bag.
Yeah, man, your phone in the bag, man.
I'm telling you, Sarge, it's not easy.
Yeah, man, I'm going to make you write a number. Yes, I'll give me. That lady there, now we're going to put her on the most wanted list. So as me say, if you hear or see anything with her, make sure say you call me now, you personally call me, because guess what? I have a beef with that woman, you know. I have a beef, I have a bone for pick with her. You understand me? And, you know, based on all this and so forth, you know,
Dear man. What going on? Yeah, man, I'm okay, man. I might pass through today, right? No long time away from me, man, but yeah, man. We talk when we reach, man, right? Yeah, man. Me I come over one drink. Yeah, man. I'll be there shortly. Auntie. Wait, there, man. There.
What's up?
There, man.
I'm there, man. Ah, Ted. Why? Now you say they are jail for one, man.
Boy, for real, brother, I tell you.
Ah,
It's just a little misunderstanding still, no? With the back on the road.
yeah, say. So how long now you come out? Cause gunshot me, you see the pan.
Yeah, but it's just some
So,
misunderstanding.
yo, I really gunshot with you?
They never charge me, no, but they have me upon reasonable suspicion.
Why?
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
you, all them that thing there, on gun.
But you see, sometimes when I try to explain, when I'm catching at the act, you know, and you know about perception, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perception is a word, brother. Because, I mean, they did caught me with 2 firearms in my hand.
Yeah, say to me.
Yeah, man. But it wasn't mine. They belong to the same granny that I told you about, Miss Williams.
Okay,
You know,
come
that's
here
it.
and say, you look next to me to Christian, you know. So, when the gun thing, when they tell me, say, puzzle me.
Sir, me have one beer, cold jack and something. Yeah, man.
So, you want me open it?
Yeah, man. Open for me there. Yeah, man. You want one too, man?
Yeah, man.
Take one, no, man. Yeah, man. Tell us what.
No, I'm out to beat in a car. Tell me out, you know.
Okay.
Drink up some heap of rum and have some hangover.
Tell a boy. You rough, man, cause, boy, I first never got to jail, you know.
Yeah.
And we can tell a man that. Don't go there.
No, I encourage nobody if you
We
go.
not encourage not even my enemy to go there.
Yeah. So what going for the teaching? I go back for the teaching.
I want to go back to school, you know. But there are several things that lingers on my mind, you know. Like my friend Camille. Until now. Can't
No
find-
return.
No return. And I am of the belief, I strongly believe that it's that old lady took her away.
Ah, lady did terribly, you know.
Some of that
Go on
know.
the seat, you know.
I tell her.
Yeah, man, the lady that mix with devil, man.
Why, man? Tell her, brother.
Yeah, man, when say police are look for her, man, she wanted, man. She found wanted Wednesday.
Hmm?
Yeah, man.
Have you see it? When I was telling you about her, you never believe.
Never believe. she never look that way, man.
Yeah.
I tell her, you can't judge a book by a cover.
You cannot.
Can't
You
judge a
can
book
never
by a
do
cover.
that. Looks are deceiving.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Because, but you know, if I wasn't in this situation, and somebody else, you know, tell me about it. I believe, I wouldn't believe as well, you know, trust me.
Right, me I tell her, man.
Because, you know, she looks so simple and innocent. Yeah, man.
Real, man.
So, like, man, everything alright?
Yeah, man, so far. Not everything, you know, but
Yeah.
you know, we have to go and live.
Yeah. Boy, dear man, I really want to find Cam before. I'm not sure if I'm going to go back at the same school to teach, but I want to find Cam before I start
Teach
again.
Yeah.
You know, my brain not that steady, you know.
Aye.
I tell her, dear man.
The old lady that like a berry or something, kind of to be in body can't find or nothing. And look how long. She should have her tie up somewhere. You know, feed her. Why?
Well, I don't know. So long now is that I lose hope. I lose hope.
And in time they will tell me.
I lose hope there, man.
She did.
You know, look so promising, you know. But me still.
You still have a hope, say.
Yeah. We just want to hear what I'm.
Yeah.
Definitely want, you know. But anyway, dear man, a long time now I have one beer.
Yeah.
You know, and so boy, today I make to the pass.
No, I'm glad to see you, man. I said, boy. You
Yeah,
got
man.
in jail for 2
Boy,
guns.
I tell her, yes.
To me, I say, me blow.
But they are-
For my friend, I could give him 2 guns, you know. 2 guns.
Brother, I don't own one. So I'm own ya. I still a charge with my wash
Yeah,
it.
man. Like
Because-
always.
Like always. Because me know what me know. You understand?
What's true, man?
Me know what me know. So, dear man, all the best, you know. We did-
Alright. So we have to the man, and if we hear nothing, man, we make you know.
Yes.
See me?
But me
But
know.
check out the wanted Wednesday thing now and see if you know say granny funny. Me I tell
Oh,
her.
okay, me never know. Me and the officer reason still.
Yeah.
But me catch up on
Alright,
something,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, man, make your phone work. Man.
Yeah, make your phone work, right? Yeah, man. Alright, my brother. Blessed love, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool. Right, Sarge. How you doing, sir? Yes, right, I haven't seen her, you know. I haven't seen her anywhere around, trust me. But I'm looking at the house now, currently. Boy, Sarge, you look like this house is abandoned. No, I don't even know. Yes, because I have a friend that he told me that he heard that she's not here anymore. Yes, sir. No. Right. Boy, Sarge, you also look evil, Sarge. Trust me. I think you should come and do an operation on your own, Sarge. Trust me. Who to tell you may find some more guns and drugs or ammunition? And possibly earn yourself another promotion, Sarge. Right. Yeah, man, I really think you should come and check, man. Trust me. Yes, sir. I'm keeping safe, man. I always have my cutlass, you know. Yes, sir. Alright, so if I see her around, I'll call you. First thing. Yeah, man. Alright then, Sarge. Yeah, man, I'm on the lookout and I'm being careful. Right. Yes. She wanted now? Yes, she finally on the wanted list. Yes. Wow. 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 What, that dog look well fed, man. Obviously somebody feeding him. So what is it they come here so much time and they don't see anybody? That's weird. Somebody's coming here, man. But that sound like somebody, man. What? Hello? Hold on. You're in here all along? Jesus. Hold on. What? Hold on, let me get this off your mouth. Jesus Christ. Hold on.
Oh, thank God.
I can't believe this. So, you were in here so long?
Yes. Very long. Very long.
God.
Something has happened.
You're here all this time?
Yeah, for the longest while I have not seen her. She only come here and feed me and go away.
Oh, what? My God, this is unbelievable. And you survived so... Hold on, let me get you outside. Try, hold on, wait. Ease up there, come on. Let me get you. Oh my God. Whoa. Take it, hold on. Have a seat here.
Jesus. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Look at you. My God. Oh my God. You know we've been searching for you how long?
Oh Lord.
You sure she's not here, right?
No, she's not here.
My God.
When she comes, she just come to feed me and go away.
So she kept you alive all this time?
Yeah, and I don't know why.
Yeah, because I mean, from everything that we gather, my God.
I'm not feeling too well.
I know. Oh my. Hold on.
I'm weak.
Oh God. Just relax. Just relax right there. Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna have to call the ambulance
Please.
to come and get you right now.
Yeah, but please, I need you to call Zach for me.
Zach,
Yes.
you have his Zach number also. I can call
I
Zach
need
for
you
you.
to call Zach for me.
Oh my God. I can't believe it.
I'm not feeling too well. Honestly, I'm not feeling too well.
I understand. Hello? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm me, man. Straight call to you. Anyway, want you send one ambulance and want you send backup to, but I prefer you send the ambulance first. Yeah, man. Right at Petersfield, man. Where them do the welding. Damn, yes, right. Well, yeah, you obviously know some come here already. Same place. Alright, just deal with it for me right away. And send backup. Right now. Emergency. Alright? Alright, yeah, good. Anyway, I'm going to call Zach back for you right now, okay?
Yeah, please.
My God. This is a miracle.
Let him know that I'm alive and well.
I don't know.
I'm not well, but I'm alive.
You're going to make the news.
You serious? You serious? Me a come now, me a come. What, Sarge, where's her now? Where she is?
Well, ambulance, people are going with her down the hospital. She's fine.
You saw me kill her, Sarge. Sarge, you saw me kill her.
Alright, but anyway, listen to me. She's
So hold on.
fine. Eh?
I innocent she died along, Sarge. Eh? I came here the last time and nobody, it's like, not even me never know, so how you find her? In where?
Listen, but look at the scenario. If look in your waist bars and so forth, you have to, you know.
Sorry about that, sir.
That cause a problem. I mean, when
Sir.
you saw you and you approach with that, you know,
I'm so sorry, sir.
we don't. Why?
No, but-
Anyway, put that aside.
Yes, sir, but the thing about it, I have to protect myself.
Yeah, she's
No,
alright.
Look.
She said she was fed. Never really will tell me exactly how she was fed, but she was fed. I don't know the condition she was in before all of this, but she's alive and I think she will make it. So, you know, because she conscious of talking and everything. So at least she was eating and support. So,
Can't believe it.
I don't know. Anyway, I want to apologize. It's not a believing, but it's just you're tired what you had in your hand and stuff. So, you know.
But sir, I told you, you know.
I know, but I mean, you know, actually, it's just a scenario I come here and see.
I understand,
that's
man.
the problem.
Perception,
But-
sir.
Anyway, she's alive. I don't know why, because that woman don't save nobody. So I don't know why is it that she's alive. And at least we're thankful for that. Alright? On your behalf. We have a lot of people grieving and stuff, but at least on your behalf, she's alive.
Sarge,
She's at the hospital.
oh my gosh, this lady put me through turmoil. She make me go jail.
Anyway, she's alive. Alright?
Oh my gosh. So I go down by the hospital. Could I get to see her down there?
Yeah, I tell her that when you come, because actually it take too long to come, you have her down there. So you can go ahead and.
I run me. So Sarge,
Yeah, man.
thank
yeah,
you very much.
Alright.
Yeah? I go down by the hospital, yeah?
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yeah, Sarge. Right, I went to my body hospital, but they say I can't visit her now. It's too soon. Alright, I just have to wait until she's back home. Alright, thank you, Sarge. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Georgia.
Really? How about that? $1 million. Then they use get this man. Worse so oil man. Then I use get this man. Worse so more grab a bike to you know. $1 million. Okay. Alright. Go pick up my machete and then we go for the work. $1 million. It's easy money that to me, you know. Most can't catch it. Oh, the man, she not go hard. $1 million. Jesus! One brand new bike a morning. Can't go find the old man and go and collect the $1 million. Yeah. Where we can alright. Oh no. I don't even know how to look for the old man. Wait. Then I thought this was serious. We buck her up again. You know, so nobody now for some $1 million though. Yeah. I never $2 million me I get like how I see him 2 times or 1. But anyways, if you don't run so that means that she have to do something around that so. Alright granny, near you. Hey granny, don't play with me. Play with me.
Come! Hello, auntie. Come! Yes, you come? Come! Come is here? Come!
Hey, who is that? Who is it?
It's Zach.
Oh, I'm coming.
My gosh, I can't believe it. What? Come. What's up? Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god.
I remember the day.
I can't believe it. Oh my god.
I
Come here alive.
Yes, I am.
Come here alive.
Yes, I am. Let me sit down.
Come. You are alive?
Yes, I am in true colors.
Oh my, come. I thought I would never see you again.
I know. I thought I would never see you again too.
Oh God, I came by the hospital yesterday, but they told me that I wouldn't be able to see you. But they told me that they weren't going to admit you, so.
Yeah, they treat me as
Come.
Zach, we have a lot to talk about.
Come, you're alive?
Yes, I am alive, Zach.
Come, you're alive?
Yes,
Come, are you this?
Yes, I believe. Zach.
Come.
in that
I
moment.
thought I would never see you again, come.
Zach, it's a lot I've been through.
I couldn't even sleep. I not sleep last night.
It was you.
What? Zach, it's
Come on,
a
man.
road, yes.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. My God, I can't believe this. Come.
Zach, that lady feed me with people hand where she take their life, Zach. From ever since she captured me, I pay hand, me I eat Zach. Hand, lunch, breakfast and dinner. And then the days them when she not come, me just have to do it out. But me have to eat it because me couldn't do better. Trust me, Zach.
Hold on. Come. You mean, what you call hand? Them hand?
Them here.
Real
Hand.
hand? Come, you sure you alright? Like, up here, so?
Yeah, no, me not too sure so me alright up here, so my stomach feel bad, Zach. I don't even want my enemy to go through what me go through.
Come, hold on.
But Zach,
Hold on, come, hold on.
sit down right here, so right now, I kind of feel scared. Where she is now?
Nobody knows to tell us me there in the street and I see her picture put up $1 million reward if you find her and turn her into the police.
Mercy.
She's a dangerous woman and I'm glad say when you find out. Well, not you, cause you actually know what going from when you. See?
Lord have mercy. Then how
But
much
I'm
people?
glad for the police them get to understand what happened.
Is a lot of people she damage?
Come, I'll jail me went. No one talk about it. Yeah, man.
For what?
I just come back from jail. Come, the same house where the police them find. You know, so I came there. Yes, but I came around the other room and I found the guns and I stick her up and call the police. And when I call the police, they instead lock me up. Come, said that the guns are mine.
What?
But I didn't even know that you were in the building. Or else I would rescue you.
Yeah, because she tie up my hand, she tie up my mouth only when she feed me, she pull it off. Me try a lot of things, me move up, me try pull my foot them. But honestly to God, Zach, I couldn't move.
Come. Honestly, right now, we kind of scared of you know. Don't say that, don't say.
Me think mentally disturbed, my mind.
Right,
my
mind. No, but because when I
it's
say
like me
hands.
traumatized.
Yeah, because listen, when I say eat hands, like, no make nobody else say so. Cause
But Zach,
no,
a reality.
Hmm?
A reality, I truth, Zach. But she have me lock up the whole long and me don't have nothing to eat. That's all me could eat.
Come.
And she feed me.
I think you need counseling still, cause I don't really think.
Zach,
I don't really think.
even one of the
People
time,
Hmm?
even one of the time, me tell her, say, me don't want no more, and she draw the gun. Zach, that woman is dangerous, me afraid her right now, me feel scared.
So come, you mean like hands, literally hands you eat? Come, me just feel like you're alright, you know.
Honestly to God, me come home last night,
Mhm.
and I just pay a hand in my dream.
Jeez and peace. It's hard to believe, but me have tried to believe you.
Boy, man,
Because, I mean, to see you alive, you must eat something, but what should I cook it up and make it look like honor? I don't know, but anyway.
it look like soup.
Wow. But anyway, come, I really think I need to see us.
Yeah,
Like, yeah.
yeah, I'm going to do that, Zach. Honestly, I'm going to do that.
Honestly, come. Granny, she wicked, but I don't really think she gonna do that, feed up on nobody. And
Then-
if she keep it all this time,
Zach,
come.
why would I lie about that? How long you know me, Zach?
Come, me know-
We work together. We've been friends for so long.
I
Why
know.
would I
know.
lie to you?
Come, I know, but what I'm saying, I know that she do things and she take people life, but come on, man. Why would she cut off the people, man, and give for eat?
Boy, I don't know. She just wicked. She just wicked. Just hands.
But anyway, come. Whatever you say, me just glad to see you.
So what them plan for do about her? What the police
Alright,
do?
so-
Because right now, me fi go out and me kind of afraid because I don't know if she's still a watch.
Come,
Because she's still out there.
Come, me not stop walking my cutlass. I told me I come over here, I don't want my spot system with it, me leave right out of breadfruit tree there, so here I go on. See if I can walk with a knife or something. Right? Or get a pepper spray or something. But the police them after her. So I mean all we have to do, because me a plan know that you're back, we can focus now. Come, I gotta tell you the truth, come. We couldn't focus.
See.
We couldn't focus.
Right now, you see how me lock up the place when you come here, you say, let me take for answer you.
And come. Me have something I want to say to you.
Okay.
A confession.
Okay, go ahead.
Really hard to say now because me and your friend over the years come. Would you marry me, come?
Really?
Yes.
Really, Zach? Oh my God.
Oh my God, let me get.
But you have this all planned out.
Yes. Right here. My God. Come. I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Can't function without you, come.
I miss you too.
No. I think I'm going back to school now. Get back
That
to
will
my
be
life and
good.
check.
But I think I'll be out for a while.
Yes, just for a little while.
Yes.
And I'll be right by your side, okay?
I know, Zach, you have always been by my side. But Zach, guess what? I have a confession to make too.
Tell me.
It's like a dream come true.
Serious?
Yes. But me that wait on you for make it first move.
Come.
Yeah.
You know easy, you know?
Yeah, me know for ever since me I come over the playfield and we hang out together, and since all of this happened, I know. Me need a flirt with me.
You know what? Come. I'm just happy. I'm not happy to say what happened, but everything play out for good.
True.
So this caused me to brave up because I lose, I'm never get a chance to tell you.
Right. Me, that's all I've been going through my mind. So look, how Zach used to warn me, and before all of this happened, I could have tell Zach say me really like him, and look, then I could have just gone.
But guess what? We are here, and we are here for a reason.
Yeah.
In my dreams, it was
Hug me again, baby.
knew I'd make you mine. Never leave your
What? Jesus. Second day upon this on the road and I can't find this old man. Treasure. Easy money but it's hard. You know say I up something for go do. Granny me catch you. Alright. Do it like that. Come.
Please, me, I beg you, why you do this? Miss? Hello?
Don't touch me! Don't touch it! You don't hear what I said?
Sorry.
You're sorry.
Why you do this?
Where are you from?
Same place you pick me up and that's how I come. That's how you feel like me go and make me go on.
Who is your parents?
Please, please, me, I beg you. Please, let me go now. Please. Me, I beg.
I am going to put this down and I don't want to see you touch it. Okay? Answer me.
Yes.
I am serious. Look at me. You think I'm joking? Look at my face. You don't know me. I am a very nice grandma. You will see for yourself. You're a very, very, very nice girl. Open the bag.
You know how long me I look for you? Come to me, man. I'll sort out police station. You know how long me I look for you? Come, man. Then I did this young girl also. Come on, man. I don't have station
Open it.
where I go.
Open it. Young man,
Come, man.
what is
You
your
good girl?
name? You come to see
Don't worry
me.
about me name. I you me come for.
Then come and get me. What is your name? I like you.
You can't like me. You good girl. Come with me now, granny. About 2 days me I look for you. I don't have much time, man.
You need to come and get me.
The whole station I wait for you. You good girl? Want you?
Shut the hell up! Now I've got 4 hands. I like it. I'll give you one more, you know, because you're very, very inquisitive. I don't like people inquisitive in my business. You're very, very inquisitive. I'll give you one more to make sure you gone for real. Next time, you call my phone before you come and meet me. You came upon me unexpected and I don't like it. You call my phone. Let me see what's going on here. I am coming back for your hands. I'm not joking. I will get some pepper for you to season up those hands. Those 2 hands that you have give too much problem. What you doing with machete? Eh? Can you manage? Come, my darling. I am going to deal with you now. Don't worry. I was doing something over there. I was a little bit busy. Don't worry about it. It's your time now. You gone for real? You know that I wanted you to be my best friend? But you scream too damn much. I don't like it. Next time you ask me if you can scream before you scream. I give you the bag to open it, you throw it on the ground. That is very rude of you. No problem. No problem. I'll put your hands in it.
Kevin.
Yeah. See lady there. See her there.
Stop pointing and chat too much. Come on.
What are they so long? How long me I look for now?
Granny Lou, what the? You know, woman, when you want the poster where officer just put up so.
Mm-hmm.
Up past the lady and the girl I come pine upon the lady, tap me, I come chat and say, the other. No, woman, upon the wanted poster. Me have to tell the girl to tap in her eyes.
A dangerous woman no come.
He never knows to tap for life finger.
Come in.
Hurry up, guy, woman, you say that woman, come on.
Two this time? Yeah, one of them have gunshot wounds all over, but him hand them severe. They chop off. Oh my God. This young lady, all that, nothing, just our hands them gone. Listen, my man. We have to go we have to go move up. We have to go put up more surveillance. We have to go do more. We have to go set up more. We have to go do something and catch this woman, man. It cannot continue like this. This woman can't evade police and so forth like that. One woman, one old woman. No, man, she make you look bad, man. Hello. Yeah, man. Miss Granny walk and rock. I must buck you, And I go and give back your gunshot. Miss nice lady. I want to take a good look at this. It's a reward. And anyway you see this lady here, I want you to contact the police for me, here. There's a reward on it. Let's look out for her. No, you keep it. I have a lot in the bus there. I have to catch that lady. So anyway you see that lady, make sure you contact the police. There's a reward there for her, here. Alright? $1 million. Okay? So just take a good look at it and remember. Alright, I have a lot in here. So let's keep that one.
If I catch you, you will see.